Make sure to turn off your shockwave unit. Use the black round-shaped key found in your applicator box to loosen the piece holding the transmitter head in place. Once loose, use your hands to loosen it completely and remove the piece along with the transmitter head. Take the silver key in the shockwave applicator box and line it up with the silver slits on the applicator. Begin loosening the silver piece using the key in order to allow access to the revision kit. Once completely loose, put the piece aside and remove the revision kit from inside the applicator. Use a standard brush to wipe clean the inside of the applicator. Take the new revision kit and unpack it from its plastic container. Put the new revision kit in and make sure it lines up properly with the shape inside the applicator. Put the silver piece back in and begin tightening with your hands until you begin to feel resistance. Tighten the last few turns using the silver key. Place the transmitter back into place. Place the transmitter holder back into place and then tighten using your hands. Use the black key for the last few turns to ensure it's well tightened. Plug the applicator into the unit by making sure the red dots on the connectors line up. Now to reset your shock count, press the menu button on the home screen. Scroll down to Specific Settings. Press Enter. Select Applicator Kit Replacement Wizard. Press Enter. Press Start. Press Yes. Press Continue. Press Continue again. Press OK. Press Finish. For more information on Ortho Canada's BTL modalities, please visit orthocanada.com.